What is going on YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today we're going to be talking about the powerhouse, an electrical vehicle company that is going for it all, and that is Tesla, of course. And the reason is, they got quarterly earnings coming up October 21st, which is a Wednesday. And to my calculations, that's right around the corner. So if you're interested in Tesla and hearing the amazing things that they're doing, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. Before we start to break down these amazing potential numbers from Tesla, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button. I can't thank you guys enough. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers, and just every single person that has hit that subscribe button, I truly thank you from the bottom of my heart. It means a ton. It really does. And if you don't mind smashing that like button. Now it's time to get into the video. Like I stated in the open of this video, Tesla will be reporting its Q3 earnings on October 21st, which is going to be Wednesday. And I mean, if you seriously look at it from the big picture, it should be very good. And the reason is because they've continued to recover from the coronavirus. They are projected to hit the 500,000 vehicles that they originally forecasted, and they're ramping up everything that's going on in the Gigafactory in Shanghai. I mean, their Model 3 has been increasing very well, and they're obviously getting ready to release the Model Y with third row seating. That's going to be coming up here shortly in 2021. There is a lot of amazing news revolving around this company, and I will be breaking down some of the numbers for you. Amazing article that was written on Business Insider, and really they reached out to Daniel Ives, who works for Webull, an analyst, and really kind of got some of his opinions and his thoughts. I mean, he really does have a pretty accurate share price target when it comes to the likes of Tesla, and he's very heavily involved in the technology sector. And so I have definitely quoted him before in many of my videos, especially on Tesla. So swing it over here and really start diving in and providing you the information on the upcoming quarterly earnings. So the first thing it says is strong third quarter deliveries set Tesla up for a healthy earnings beat on Wednesday and a sales milestone before this year is out. Webull analyst said, improved manufacturing efficiency and shining Gigafactory 3 success in China are key drivers of the company's near-term success, the team wrote in note. The success abroad brings Tesla closer to hitting the 500,000 deliveries in 2020, an achievement that was a pipe dream for the automaker and its peers just 6 months ago. And I think what they're hitting on is the fact that they were still able to potentially accomplish this with the coronavirus having such an impact. The analysts boosted their price target on Tesla shares to $500 from $475, implying a 13.7% climb from Friday's closing level over the next 12 months. I think that's very realistic. I think if Tesla can continue to hit its numbers, I do feel that we're going to start to see that run that we've been consistently seeing, for a period of time now. So continuing diving into this. So with electrical vehicle demand rebounding from a mid-2020 slump, Tesla is on track to beat earnings expectations and reach a delivery milestone, Webull analyst said. The automaker's third quarter deliveries came in above expectations, with sales of its Model 3 sedan driving the strong reading. Tesla is set to report its third quarter earnings on Wednesday, and improved manufacturing efficiency and shining Gigafactory 3 success in China could lead to a street-beating report, the team wrote. And I do agree with that. I think obviously as we've gotten past the coronavirus, I think a lot more people are starting to go the electrical vehicle route. I think the Model 3 is going to be a very affordable option. And I think as we continue to move forward, the Model Y is just as much of a SUV as the Model X, and it's going to be a little bit cheaper in cost. And I think as Tesla continues to grow and really start to expand on their batteries like they talked about in Battery Day, I think you're going to start to see the cost of these vehicles as a whole drive down. I truly think the number 500,000 vehicles produced is a huge accomplishment for this company, and I think it's going to be really revealing when this company is successful with that number through one of the biggest and worst pandemics in the history of the world. And I think for this company to be successful in that manner, I think speaks volumes about what they're doing at Tesla. So swinging on over here, the 139,300 vehicle deliveries last quarter also brings Tesla closer to its target of 500,000 deliveries this year. Pent-up demand in China and areas of robust sales in Europe are key in helping in reach the goal. The 500,000 delivery target is a line in the sand that was a pipe dream 6 months ago, as Tesla and other auto players have navigated this unprecedented COVID backdrop, the analyst said. China in particular could markedly increase Tesla's profitability over the next few years as the country comes to represent more than 40% of the automaker's annual sales. And that's what Webull added, but I also want to add that if you look at it, China is by far the largest automaker, and they're also the largest when it comes to auto sales. So obviously a lot of people are going to be purchasing this aspect, especially with them trying to go cleaner with the green aspect. And I think it's the same for Europe as well, but obviously there's a lot more people in China. Positive earnings represent the hearts and lungs of bullish investors' hopes after years of quarterly losses. And now that we're profitable, and we've been profitable, and if we start to continue to do positive quarterly earnings, I wonder how much closer we will get to getting listed on the S&P 500. That's interesting to keep in mind. So continuing on, because obviously the Model 3 isn't the only thing that is selling in China and across the world. So with the Model Y, deliveries ramping up into the fourth quarter and China demand surging ahead, the automaker is set to turn its Wednesday earnings release into another step forward. Compared with its struggling peers, the team wrote, Tesla closed at $439.67 per share on Friday, up 430% year to date, and I'm gonna definitely go over the chart for sure. We have come to my favorite part of any video, and that is, of course, chart breaking down time. So let's swing on over here and check out Tesla. So today it opened at $446.24. It got as high as $447 even. Its low was $428.87. Its volume was 36.29 million. Its market cap is $401.5 billion. Its 52-week high is 502.49. Its 52-week low is $50.04, and its average volume is 71.47 million. Now today it closed down 2.01%, and the entire market seemed like it was down, so understandable. It closed at $430.83, but then in the after hours it climbed to $432.90, up 0.48% to finish out the day. Now this is a 1 month chart, and the thing I really want to focus on is since Battery Day in September, we've had a pretty steady climb back. Obviously, like I stated, we've had a couple days in there where the market just in general has been down, and so naturally Tesla is going to be down. I mean, we've had a decent run back. Obviously in the last couple days and even in the last couple weeks, there's still obviously the rumors that the stimulus is being talked about. Is it going to happen? Is it not going to happen? And then obviously you have the election coming up, so there is a lot really going on the stock market, and it's also impacting the likes of Tesla. I do think this quarterly earnings is going to put a boost into this company, and I really think you're going to see a huge turnaround. And obviously Webull has an analyst rating of neutral right now, and I do feel at them having a price target point of $500, that is actually a pretty good price target for this stock at the moment. I do think that is going to be an easy number to hit after quarterly earnings. I can't wait to see it. I want to thank you for swinging by and checking out this video. I really truly do think Tesla is going to have a great quarterly earnings, which then is going to boost this stock. I mean, there's a lot of supporting evidence to go along with a great quarterly earnings, and rightfully so with analysts. I do want to remind you guys, I am not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only, and that's exactly what I'm here to do, entertain. So hopefully you got some entertainment. And you guys also know that if you like this video, smash that like button, it helps out tremendously. And if you enjoyed the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as always, have a good day.